Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota 4Runner tail light. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, and a new replacement tail light bulb. Having a clean cloth and some dielectric grease can also be helpful for a smooth installation. Always ensure you have the correct bulb type for your specific vehicle model before starting the process. Next, open the rear hatch of your Toyota 4Runner to gain access. You will see 2 or 3 screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Use your Phillips head screwdriver to carefully remove these fasteners. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back, away from the vehicle body. It should slide out without much force, revealing the wiring harness. Now, with the tail light assembly detached, you can access the bulbs. Twist the specific bulb socket that needs replacement counterclockwise to unlock it from the assembly. Gently pull the old, burnt-out bulb straight out of its socket. Take your new bulb and firmly push it into the socket. Remember to avoid touching the glass of the new bulb with your bare hands, as oils can reduce its lifespan. Finally, it is time for reassembly and testing. Reconnect the wiring harness to the tail light assembly, ensuring a secure connection. Carefully align the tail light assembly with its mounting points on the vehicle body. Push it firmly into place, then reinsert and tighten the 2 or 3 screws you removed earlier. Close the hatch and test all tail light functions to confirm proper operation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.